Hello everybody, my name is Kay, otherwise known as Chansu Bromance on IG and Twitter. I also write as EXO-1127_0112 on AsianFanfics.com. Hello everybody, we have a very colorful unboxing to do today because it's EXO-SC's second anniversary as a subunit, and I couldn't be more proud of them. And these are all the albums I have. I have bought them as unsealed as well, but hopefully all in good condition because I'm only opening them for the first time for this unboxing, and I only have one Kihno. I'm in the process of trying to collect all of the Kihnos that EXO has released, but we'll see. Sometimes they're hard to find as well. So, and again, yes, this is unsealed as well. However, I have bought some inclusions because they were on sale, and so it's kind of like I should have just bought the seal one, right? But when I started collecting EXO albums, I wasn't, like in a spending point. And I think the first sealed album I bought was 1 billion views. Anyway, long story short, I have found these two postcards, and the back looks like this. I'm not sure if there are other versions of these postcards, but these are all I have at the moment. So very cute. Sechan. Okay, and photo cards. Because my goal is to collect all of Chanyeol's album photo cards. Non-album ones, I don't know yet, but I think I'm only missing about 10 at this point at the time of this filming. So wish me luck again, and in no particular order, these are all of What a Life photo cards. So this one is him being a reindeer. So it must have been taken during Christmas time, and this is the back. So I'm thinking this is from the park version, right? Or Chanyeol version. Park version is 1 billion views. Anyway, I'm getting like confused now. Then this one is very cute. Just his selfie, peace sign with a helmet. And again for the green version. Okay, and this one is, I don't know, but he's using a puppy filter. Oh, this is from the pink version. So same messages, I think. Yes, same messages, same signature, right? So this one is here, and then I remember this one is for the pink version as well. This is probably one of my favorites. Out of the What a Life photo cards. Yes, pink version. And okay. Then these two, this one is very cute. He's using the baby filter or the child filter. And the back has a yellow background. Right, and then a bunny filter here, and yes, it's the same. So that's it for Chanyeol photo cards, and then these are for the Kihno photo cards. And so this one is okay, so different message. Oh, it's the same actually. Alright, so yes, Kihno photo card. So it's for this one, and the same. This one is definitely, I prefer this over this one, but both look good. And right, and this is for the pink Kihno than for Sehun's. Alright, so those are for the photo cards. And then they have bag tags, right? I only have these two as well, so if Sehun has one, hopefully I stumble upon it as well. So I got SC and then one of Chanyeol. Yeah, I took out the pin thing, yeah, because I put it in my photo card binder. And the back looks like this. So yeah, I have them on plastic for protection. Okay, and then some stickers. So I just went through the inclusions. Okay, so some stickers here. Yeah, I think I bought the inclusions as a bundle. I don't really remember now, but yeah. So I get 2 pink stickers and 1 green. Okay, so let's go over the photo books because I'm very excited. These unsealed photo books or albums actually did come with folded posters, so we will see that in a minute. Okay, so let's start with the Kihno. They have EXO-SC Kihno as well, right? The two of them, or just Sehun. I really don't know. So let's go over the photo book. It's a bit tight, so yeah, the kit looks like this, right? And the mini photo book. So there are instructions on how you may play the kit on your phone. Okay, and so this is the cover. So it's the same as the cover of his album. Alright, so let's go over the photo book. What a Life. Ah, wow. So we have Sehun here, looking immaculate. And then, yes, we should get mostly Chanyeol, right? Ooh, it's undercut. Very nice. And then we get a dash of Sehun as well. Ooh, Sehun, Chanyeol. Wow. Oh, Chanyeol. This is gorgeous. Well, everything is, but okay. And then, yes, he has some like lilac color up here. Very cute. That's Mark. Then Sehun's, I like Sehun's shirt. Nice. Okay, and this one. The photos in this Kihno is very nice. Are very nice, I mean. Okay, and that is it for the Kihno photo book. Alright, and then we move on to, maybe we should do Park, not Park, Park is 1 billion views. Okay, we'll do the group, the subunit version first, so the yellow one. Okay, so it's got a sticker on the back, And yeah, it's like a plastic thing. That's the sleeve. And so we get the track list, so 6 songs. And then okay, then like I said, there's a folded poster, and the folded poster looks like this. Very pristine, I think. Okay, so yeah, so Sehun, and then we get Chanyeol. So it's quite a nice size if you want to put it in your room or on your wall. Okay, and then photo book. I love the because it's like a carton, so it's very sturdy. Oh my god, I had no idea there. Wow, this is the first time I've opened it since I bought it, and there are inclusions. Oh my god. Thank you. I really didn't know. So I have an extra bag tag now. Oh my god, this is such a surprise, I'm telling you. So I have an extra bag tag. Oh my god. And then the same photo card, postcard. So usually unsealed albums, the photo cards are taken out and sold separately. But yeah, wow. Okay, that is like, yeah, it's the same one. So oh my god, that was completely all right. So we get that, and then What a Life. Alright, sorry. I thought the pages will be as thick as the cover. Right. Okay, so still couldn't move on. Oh, wow. I love that it's so light and very summery. But yeah, they released this, I mean, both of their albums they released in July, so they achieved what they were going for. So track list, and then What a Life lyrics and credits. We have Chan on the hood of a car. Sehun looking gorgeous. Okay, and then just, yeah, they're so cute. Yeah, they shot this in LA. Very nice. I get Chanyeol. Nice. Wow. That is a nice car. So I have Just Us 2 featuring Gecko and lyrics and credits. Oh, I love Chanyeol here. Well, both pictures are nice because Sehun is looking at the camera here. Right? Yeah, too cute. And they look so good. Yes. Wow. Chanyeol. They're on the road somewhere. How cute. I think this is the larger version of the photo I zoomed in earlier. Ah, now it's nighttime. And Closer to You, lyrics and credits. Then we have Sehun with a fedora or a hat. I don't know if that's actually a fedora. Then, oh, this is one of my favorite photos of Chanyeol's ever. They're just in the hotel room. A bit dim though. Ooh, they're at the filming site of What a Life. So a lot of maybe behind the scenes when they were shooting when they were filming the music video. Cool. So nice. Just neon background. Okay. Sehun. Then borderline lyrics and credits. And we have two gorgeous men in yellow background. Chanyeol. Yes, Sehun with the dollar plastered on his shirt. Oh, there's that detail on his jacket here. Very nice. Roller coaster lyrics and credits. Lyrics by Studio 519. Cute. Okay, and then look at that teeth. So some of the photos are from the Kihno as well. Then we have Fune. Beautiful. Nice. Yes, okay, so some from the postcard. And then here. Yes, the postcard photo here. Then Daydreamin' lyrics and credits. So this will be the folded poster. Oh, cool. So they're just in the building looking out. Yes. And then we have look at the difference of their thank yous. I mean, even without looking who it is, I would know that this will be Chanyeol. Very passionate, and then Sehun is just short and sweet. Keeping it short and sweet. Okay, then again, more gorgeous photos of the boys. Wow, Sehun. And then, yeah, very cute. Yeah, just some photo shoot in LA, around LA. Oh wow, I love this. You should have made this a poster. Very nice. So we have credits. And okay, so this was a CD. Hi. Hang on. And it's bright yellow. Okay, very cute. Okay, we're down to one. Now we'll do Chanyeol's, then we'll do Sehun's. Okay, so the green one, I think this was the first one that I got, and it also comes with a folded poster of Chanyeol. So it looks like this. So it looks a bit tan, or is it just me? I have no idea. Okay, I don't know if this has inclusions. I think not, but okay. Yep, it doesn't. So let's go. So same, yeah, it has a hardcover and very colorful pages. Ah, wow. Nice. I'm loving the photos here. Can you tell this is the first time I'm looking through these? Even if I've had this maybe 1 year now? I have no around that. Oh, okay, there are. There's a postcard. Yes, it's different. It's different from the one that I showed you. Oh my god. Yay, I'm so happy. So I've completed the postcards. If there are only 3 variations, then I've completed them. That's so nice. Okay, where was I? Okay, so we have What a Life, lyrics and credits. I love him in a pink suit, white hair and pink suit. Chef's kiss. Wow. I'm loving the photos in this photo book. Huh. Yes. Well, aside from it, you know, having a lot of Chanyeols. Very cool. Yay! Oh, okay, so it's just an insert. EXO-SC. Sorry, too many interruptions. I had no idea there were inclusions in here as well. Because I bought them from different sellers, so. Oh my god. Seriously, the pictures here, I like them better so far than the yellow version. Oh my god. This gorgeous man. Okay, so it just has 2 lyrics and credits featuring Gekko. Right? And yes. The car is nice. Very cute. Have I seen this? I think I've seen this from the yellow version. Ah, wow, Sehun. Red shirt and a red car. Ah, his hair. Oh my god, can you see? Oh my goodness. Wow. Pictures are really, really nice. I love this. And then him. Oh wow. So closer to lyrics and credits. Okay, and oh. Yeah, I love this photo. So Sehun in the background. Yes, nice. So this will be a folded poster for the yellow version. Then we get the neon background photos now with his undercut. Ah, wow. They're so cute. That smirk. Borderline lyrics and credits. He's looking spaced out here. Hi. Yes, I've seen this in the yellow version. Yeah, and then no. Okay. This one is a folded poster. How cute. roller coaster lyrics and credits. And then nice, very nice. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Why so pretty? I mean, you know what I mean. But yeah, he's nice to look at. See, I rest my case. Wow. Cute. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, he's just looking pensive here. Then we get, oh, he's already so tall and he's got like a few inches, like a couple inches or something on his shoe. Okay, and then Daydreamin', lyrics and credits. A very nice outfit. Okay, Sehun's profile, come on. And then, he's so handsome. I can't. Okay, so we're back at the music video filming. And then again, we have the thank yous of Sehun and Chanyeol. Like the difference. Chanyeol's is probably 5 times longer than Sehun's. Okay. Chanyeol again. It's SC. Right. So cute. Credits, and the CD would look like a green version, right? Very nice concept. It's so like bright to the eyes. Okay, now let's go move on to the pink version, which is Sehun's. So if you have made this up until this point, I congratulate you. Unfortunately, yeah, I had destroyed it completely. Anyways, the folded poster would look like this one. Can you see? So it's Sehun's face like this, right? And now we go to his photo book. Looking fierce. I have no idea. Yes, there are inclusions, so I get this postcard again. What a life. And okay, so this one is the insert. Okay, let's go over the photo book. Oh, okay, so it's got a different, yeah, so we're getting different photo. And then, so we have the track list. So his is the most vivid color, I think. Right? Well, live lyrics and credits. Then Sehun's, oh my god. That profile is just stunning. Then we get Sehun with Hyung. Chanyeol Hyung. Ah, wow. I can't. I'm just... So we get a lot of SC. I love Sehun's hair. Very... how to say, James Dean-ish. This is probably one of my favorite photos of his. Everything about it. Yes. That's that profile. Oh my god. Sehun is wrecking me right now. His legs. Okay, Just Us 2 featuring Gecko and right, lyrics and credits. And Chanyeol. Very cute. I kind of wish they included We Young in the album, but all the albums here are really, really great. We're getting 2-page Chanyeol. Oh wow. Yes, Chanyeol. This is folded poster. Sehun, come on. Closer to You, lyrics and credits. Oh no, this is the shirt I love on him. Why? You're so cute here. I mean, you too. Oh my god. Hey Chanyeol. Okay, I'll zoom you in too. Alright, and then, oh my god. Yeah, we saw this on the green version. Okay, now we have the neon background. Yeah, I've seen this in the yellow version earlier. So I think some photos are being repeated. And then borderline lyrics and credits. Chanyeol. Oh. Yeah, we've seen this on the green version. Roller coaster. What are you? What does that look? Oh, how cute. Oh my god. This one I've seen on, yeah, in one of the versions. Yeah, I've seen this before. Cute. I believe that was the poster, right? The group poster. I have actually shown that on my poster collection. I will link it on the card somewhere. So cute. Oh my god. Spoony. Daydreamin'. Lyrics and credits. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, he's so hot. Yeah, we get the same photo as this on the green version. Yes. Then yes, we have the thanks here. Oh my god! The Louis Vuitton vest. Okay, and so some behind the scenes for the music video filming. Alright. Then we get Chanyeol. Nice. So we have credits, and then the CD will be pink. Right? Okay. There we go. And that is it. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, even if it took over 30 minutes or something. And I was so pleasantly surprised with the inclusions that I received, like unexpectedly, because usually unsealed albums won't contain anything unless it's like indicated, or it's just the photo book and the CD. And if you have further suggestions of what you would like me to unbox next, and I have them on hand, let me know and I will try and schedule them for you. Until then, guys, stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.